Tips for staying hydrated. Now that we know why staying hydrated is important, let's explore some tips for staying hydrated throughout the day. While drones may seem like an unlikely connection to regular exercise, staying active is an important part of a healthy lifestyle for anyone, including drone enthusiasts. Regular exercise has a variety of health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting mood and reducing stress. In this blog post, we'll explore the importance of getting regular exercise and offer tips for incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. Why get regular exercise? Physical activity is important for maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Regular exercise also has mental health benefits, like reducing stress and anxiety and improving mood. In addition to the physical and mental health benefits, regular exercise can also improve your drone flying skills by improving hand-eye coordination and reaction time. Tips for getting regular exercise. Now that we know why regular exercise is important, let's explore some tips for incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. Find an activity you enjoy. The key to sticking with regular exercise is finding an activity that you enjoy. This could be anything from running or cycling to dancing or swimming. The important thing is to find something that you look forward to and that fits into your schedule. Make it a habit. In order to make exercise a regular part of your routine, it's important to make it a habit. This means scheduling time for physical activity every day, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Over time, it will become easier to stick with the habit and make exercise a regular part of your life. Start small. If you're just starting out with regular exercise, it's important to start small and gradually increase your activity level. This will help prevent injury and make it easier to stick with the habit. Start with short, easy workouts and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. Incorporate physical activity into your day. In addition to scheduled exercise, try to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. This could be as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a walk during your lunch break, or doing a few stretches at your desk. Use technology to track your progress. There are a variety of fitness trackers and apps available that can help you track your progress and stay motivated. Consider investing in a fitness tracker or downloading a fitness app to help you stay on track and monitor your progress. In conclusion, regular exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, whether you're a drone enthusiast or not. By finding an activity you enjoy, making it a habit, starting small, incorporating physical activity into your day, and using technology to track your progress, you can make exercise a regular part of your routine and enjoy the many health benefits that come with it. So the next time you take your drone out for a spin, be sure to prioritize physical activity as well to keep both your mind and body in top shape. Carry a water bottle. One of the easiest ways to stay hydrated is to carry a water bottle with you throughout the day. This way, you'll always have water on hand to sip on when you're feeling thirsty. Consider investing in a reusable water bottle to reduce waste and save money in the long run. Set reminders. It can be easy to forget to drink water when you're busy or distracted. Consider setting reminders on your phone or computer to remind you to drink water throughout the day. You can also download an app that tracks your water intake and sends reminders to help you stay on track. Drink water with meals. Drinking water with meals is a simple way to increase your water intake throughout the day. Not only will it help you stay hydrated, but it can also aid in digestion and help you feel full, which can prevent overeating. Eat hydrating foods. In addition to drinking water, you can also increase your water intake by eating foods that are high in water content. Fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, and celery are all excellent choices. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Alcohol and caffeine can both be dehydrating, so it's important to consume them in moderation. If you do drink alcohol or caffeine, be sure to drink plenty of water to offset the dehydrating effects. In conclusion, staying hydrated is important for your overall health and well-being, as well as your ability to fly a drone safely and effectively. By carrying a water bottle, setting reminders, drinking water with meals, eating hydrating foods, and limiting alcohol and caffeine, you can ensure that you're staying hydrated throughout the day. So the next time you take your drone out for a spin, be sure to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and alert. Get regular exercise. Regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and boost your mood. Women should aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This can include activities such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Managing stress is an important part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, especially for drone enthusiasts who may use drone flying as a way to distress and unwind. Stress can have a variety of negative effects on both physical and mental health, from increasing the risk of chronic diseases to causing anxiety and depression. In this blog post, we'll explore the importance of managing stress and offer tips for reducing stress in your daily life.